brain, which can be clearly defined by physics and therefore mathematics, which leads to the conclusion it is yet another abstract mathematical concept, and so on and so forth. If Tegmark was wrong and the fourth level of the multiverse does not exist, then one day the scientists will come across an impenetrable obstacle. They will find something that cannot be mathematically defined. And then the science will truly lose its meaning. But if Tegmark is right, the science will never finish. What do we think? Let's express our opinion in the superposition. And we really hope that you're watching this video in the version of the universe where you've received a satisfying answer to your questions. Thanks for watching.